Here we have y is equal to e to the 2x times arctangent e to the x plus 1. So this is a product of e to the x and arctangent e to the x plus 1. So we have to apply the product rule. So y prime is equal to derivative of e to the 2x. That's exponential function. So e to the 2x times, by the chain rule, we have to multiply the derivative of 2x, which is equal to times, leave this function alone, arctangent e to the x plus 1, plus, leave this function alone, so e to the 2x times the derivative of this function right here. That's inverse tangent. We know that derivative of inverse tangent is equal to 1 over 1 plus x squared, right? When this is x squared. So here we must have 1 over 1 plus e to the x plus 1 squared. E to the x plus 1 squared times, by the chain rule, we have to multiply the derivative of this expression, which is equal to e to the x. So that's going to be equal to 2e to the 2x arctangent e to the x plus 1 plus e to the 2x times e to the x, that's e to the 3x. So e to the 3x over 1 plus e to the x plus 1 squared.